Hello, welcome friends, welcome to my channel Study Mania. Today I am there in front of you with the chapter, very interesting chapter in which we are trying to apply the identities. There are some standard identities with us and you are already well versed with them. What are the standard identities? Just for the sake so that you can recall, I am giving you a hint. In the previous video of ours, we were talking about the standard identities which are like this. If I say this is a plus b whole square, what it is? A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the standard identity. Identity number 2 which you can apply here is a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. And the third identity which are going to apply in the upcoming questions that we will be solving in this video, that is a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. And the third most frequently used identity with us, which you can say, that is, suppose if I am using, now in other words, what you can say, it stands for x plus a, x plus b. Now what is the identity for this? This is x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So in nutshell, we are going to apply the four main identities in the questions that we will be solving here. This is identity number 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth type of identity which we will be using in the questions of arts. So let us start with the questions now. Now see, in this type of questions, how to apply the identity. We see the two brackets which are having the similar content. That means 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5. Same content, it can be written in this form, 2x plus 5 raised to the power 2. That means a plus b whole square can be applied here. This identity we will be using. Now a plus b whole square, how it can be expanded? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So substituting instead of a, 2x in this case. Instead of b, we will be substituting 5 in this case. So by applying this, we will reach to the conclusion, that is 4x square plus 25 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20x. So here we got the solution of first type of question. And the similar another type of question which we may find in the chapter applying identities. Now, how it can be used? If you pay attention and focus on this, if we are getting this type of sum, that means a square minus b square, where a stands for 983 and b stands for 17. So what is the expansion for the identity a square minus b square? This is a plus b and a minus b. Now how to solve this? Put the value of a, which is 983 in the given case, put the value of b, which is 17 in the given case, and 983 minus 17 in this case. Now just by putting the values, we will get the solution to the problem. This is 1000. Now 983 minus 17. So what we will get? So here we have got the answer. So now simultaneously on the screen you can find we have got the how to apply the identities in the given different type of questions. Now just look at the three different questions and how to apply the identities. The four basic identities which are introduced in the beginning of the video will remain the same, and the different questions we will be solving by using the same four identities in the different situations. Now let us talk about this question number 1, which is there on your screen. Now instead of writing this 194 into 206, if we need to apply the identity 194, how else it can be written? We have to use our brain. That is, instead of writing 194, it can be written as 200 minus 6. And here it can be written as 200 plus 6. Now, By giving a quick look or glance at the question, you will get to know what we can apply here. This is a minus b and a plus b. If you have gone through the identities properly, you will get to know if it is a minus b, a plus b, this is equal to what? A square minus b square. Here in this case, a stands for 200 and b stands for 6 in this case. If I am applying this, what I will get? That is 200 square minus 6 square. If it is the case of square, that means 200 multiplied by 200. That means 40,000 you will get here, and this is 36. And hence it is resolved. That means 40,000 minus 36. And here it is 3. So first question we have sorted out. Now let us come to the second part. Once again we will apply some identity. Now how 95 can be substituted? It can be written as 100 minus 5, and here it can be written as 100 plus 5. Again we have reached to the similar situation the way we sorted out here. If it is a minus b, a plus b, how it can be written? This is a square minus b square, where the a, that means the value of a is 100 and the value of b is 5. Now substituting the values into this, what we are going to obtain out of it? This is 100 square minus 5 square. 100 square is equal to 10,000, 5 square is equal to 25. Now after doing the subtraction, we will get to the answer, that is. So now let us come to the third portion. Here it is. Here we will be applying another identity. Instead of writing this, we can substitute this with 500 plus 1, 500 plus 2. Now, definitely it is not similar to the pattern which we were observing in the previous two questions, because it is not a plus b, a minus b. Now, what it is of type? This is x square plus a plus bx plus ab. In the opening, the fourth identity which I introduced, it is similar where we can apply, because now in this case x is equal to 500 and the a is this one and b is 2. Now let us substitute the values into the given identity. Now putting the values into the given equation refers to this thing, that is 500 square, value of a is 1, a plus 2 multiplied by 500, a into b refers to 1 into 2. 500 square stands for 2, 5, 00 and 00. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 multiplied by 500 and 2 ones are 3. Now we can resolve this by adding all this. So hence we have reached to the answer of this question as well. So now we will try few more questions in order to apply the identities freely and with efficiency. So let us practice. Give some more practice to the different type of questions in which we are supposed to apply the identities. The identities 4, which in opening of the video I have shared with you. So let us start from here. If the question goes like this, a square minus b square, then how to handle? The given question in front of us is 12.1 whole square minus 7.9 whole square. This is a square minus b square. What is the expansion to the identity? This is a plus b, a minus b, where a stands for 12.1 and b stands for 7.9. So let us apply this. This is 12.1 plus 7.9 and 12.1 minus 7.9. When we are going to add these two, we will get here 20, and here we are going to find this is 4.2. By multiplication, 20. So here we have sorted out the very first question by application of identity a square minus b square. Now let us come to the second part where it is instead of writing 10.5 we need to substitute the given figure. This can be substituted as 10 plus zero point 0.5 and this can be written as 10 minus zero point 0.5. So in this question we haven't substituted something and here it was required. So according to the question we have to conclude ourselves what is the requirement of each question individually. So now we again have reached to the same platform where it is the given a plus b and a minus b. Now if it is a plus b and a minus b, so now we are left again with the same a square minus b square. Here in the given question, the value of a is 10 because we have created here a. And what is the value of b? This is zero point 0.5 square in the given scene. So let us substitute instead of a square, 10 square. Instead of b square, zero point 0.5 whole square. Now 10 square can be written as 100. Zero point 0.5 square can be written as 0.25. By doing minus, we will reach to the situation where we will land at the answer 99.75. So again, this is sorted out. Now we are on the very last part of this. In the given question again, how we can utilize, instead of writing 5.2, it can be written as, we are going to substitute the given value or the given figure. It can be written as 5 plus zero point 0.2 whole square. Now definitely it is inviting the identity a plus b whole square. How to expand the identity? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So now let us substitute the values. A stands here for 5 and b here stands for zero point 0.2. So now by putting the values you will conclude this is 5 square plus zero point 0.2 square plus 2 into 5 into zero point 0.2. Now by resolving this we will reach to 25. This is 0.04 and here it is because 5 to the 10, 10 into zero point 0.2, but we will gain out of it, this is 2. So this is 27.04 which is the answer to the given query. So with this we have resolved the identities. Now that's all for today and I hope you have understood and enjoyed the whole concept of identities here. Thank you and have a nice day.